Getting in some breaking news from Bengaluru now on the gang rape case with alleged involvement of people and rackets in Bangladesh. The latest information coming in that the Bengaluru police has shared the investigation details with the Bangladesh police, and in the investigation it has been found out that it has appeared that accused Rafiq was involved in a larger human trafficking racket from Bangladesh. A man called Rafiq is believed to have been the culprit who was getting people into India through illegal trafficking from Bangladesh. They were being brought to Bengaluru. And we're getting in more details of how this happened. And this man called Rafiq would get fake Aadhaar cards and then trap people into prostitution and other illegal work. Sagairaj joining us live with more details. Sagairaj, what more are you picking up? Much larger than what we thought of. We'll go across to Sagairaj as well, but picking up more details. Based on the information shared by the Bangalore police, we're getting in information that the Bangladesh police has arrested a man called Rafiq and is extracting information on how many people have been sent into India through human trafficking. A larger human trafficking case has emerged from the case of gang rape in Bengaluru. Let's go across to Sagairaj. Sagai, what do we know about these Bangladeshi men who've been arrested now? We are being told even in Bangladesh the mastermind is in custody.
Niranjan, on day one when we broke this particular news, we had highlighted that all these people, the accused in the Bangladeshi gang rape case, were illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. When the police started to investigate, there were a lot of truth which was tumbling down in this entire investigation, and now the police have exposed a huge human trafficking in this entire case. In the course of investigation, the accused of Bangladeshi gang rape case have confessed that they were being brought to Bengaluru through a accused named Rafiq. He was the person who was getting people to Bengaluru and India through illegal human trafficking, and police also shared the same information with Bangladesh police. And what we get to learn through our police sources is that he has recently fled away from Bengaluru and reached Bangladesh, and the Bangladesh police have also arrested him and inquiring as we speak right now. So probably the Bangladeshi police will get more information how many people were illegally sent to Bangalore through human trafficking and to other places of India. So it is getting more interesting and more twists and turns when it comes to entire Bangladeshi gang rape case, where this man has made a fake Aadhaar card for all these people and also made them get involved in prostitution in Bengaluru and other cities. So he seemed to be a main kingpin in this entire case of human trafficking from Bangladesh to Bengaluru.
Thank you for joining us with those details.